Welcome. Today in front of me, Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated. Just to turn it off, tap here on this icon in the right upper corner, go to the settings, and here tap to the general. Right now you can see here the discover section. Just tap here on the switcher, and now we'll just check. Yeah, as can you see, our Google Feeds just is turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just by the same way, go to the settings, to the general, and here tap again on the switcher. And now, as can you see, our Google Feeds just activated right now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.